Hello, Giuseppe from Villa Pizza. Today we're making calzone. I'm going to show you how. When you buy the kit, you're going to get the dough, cheese, and ricotta. Okay, I'm going to show you how to put it all together at home. So what you're going to do, you're going to get your dough out, and you're going to start stretching it. Try to not make holes. Okay? Just like you're making pizza. Okay? You don't have to go crazy. Now, once you get the dough opened up like that, you're gonna get your cheese and you're gonna put a little cheese on one side and a little cheese on the other side, like that. Okay? Then you're gonna get your ricotta, and you're gonna put the ricotta right here. And you do the same thing on the other side. Okay? Now, once you do that, you're gonna flip it and close it like that. See? And you do this way on this side. Okay, once you're done to do this, you're gonna cut it. You're gonna get a knife and you gotta cut it like that. Try to not cut inside, cut outside the door so you don't make holes. Okay? Now, what you need to do, you're gonna get a fork and you're gonna pinch the corners like that, all around, so it doesn't come apart. Okay? And you poke it a little bit on top, make it like a little holes. Then, what you're gonna do, you're gonna set to the oven at 350 degrees at home. Same thing, you're gonna get a tray and you will put the calzone in the tray, just like that. Okay? Then you're gonna put a little bit of oil, just like that. Just give them a little wet with oil. You can get fancy, you put a little bit of grated cheese on it if you want it. Maybe a little oregano just to give a little color. Then you pop it in the oven. With the leftover dough, what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut it any way you want it, like that. Doesn't have to be fancy. And then you just make knots. So you go over the two fingers, round and inside, like that. See? You can cut this small. You pull it out. You see? One more time. Over the two fingers, in. Over the two fingers and in. Okay, you see, you're making a little garlic knots. Okay, and we're just gonna put it on. Just let it rise for a few minutes. And once they rise, you put it in the oven. Remember the leftover dough? You make garlic knots. Now you're bringing it over here. You're gonna take the garlic knots and put it in the dish. Okay? Be careful, they're very hot. Then it's a mix garlic and oil. You can make it yourself. Just put the garlic and oil in your blender and it will come out like that. Okay? You're gonna get some grated cheese. Just sprinkle over it like that. And some parsley. Okay, and then you're just gonna mix it around like that. Okay, there's your garlic knots. So this is how the way it's gonna come out. So you cut to the calzone. You're gonna place the calzone into the dish like that, and then you're gonna take a few of these garlic knots that we made it, and you just put it on the side, yeah? Like that. Okay? And voila. And this is the finished product. Okay? And buon appetito.